Anatomy is the foundation of medicine. It helps me understand how the human body is built and how it works. Let's explore the major branches of anatomy, starting with gross anatomy. Gross anatomy is the study of structures visible to the naked eye, no microscope needed. It has three key subdivisions. Systemic anatomy, studying the body system by system like the skeletal or muscular system. Regional anatomy, focusing on specific regions such as the head or chest. Surface anatomy, observing external features and landmarks you can see or feel. Microscopic anatomy, or histology, looks deeper into cells and tissues, using a microscope. It reveals the intricate structures that make up organs. Developmental anatomy, or embryology, follows human development from conception to birth. It uncovers how we form, grow, and change before we're even born. Clinical anatomy brings it all together. It applies anatomical knowledge to real-world medical practice, helping doctors diagnose, treat, and save lives. From what we can see to what lies beneath, each branch of anatomy deepens my understanding of the human body. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, because knowledge is the first step to healing.